Bob Nevin here, and in this video, video number 6, I'm going to discuss some things that I've been doing on my N-scale layout. I've also received a couple of model kits that I'm going to be putting together. This is a signal tower. I don't know if you can see it very well. There it is, by Tichy Train Group. It fits right in that little spot perfectly. And I've also built the bridge, which will be installed after I get all the track laid out in the foam. And it's kind of cool because you can raise and lower it depending on what types of trains are going to be running. So check it out right now. Just a quick little update. Got my supplies from Woodland Scenics, and I also installed some new LED lighting up there. And it really brings out a lot of detail of the layout. Some of the detail I don't think you can actually make out with the camera, but I've also noticed that I'm probably going to have to paint a lot of those white spots on the mountains and possibly even do some more plastering, because the holes in the plaster cloth from Woodland Scenics are showing up, so I need to cover that up. I don't know if I can zoom it in and you can see all those little, see my hand, see all the little dots, the little black dots. Those are going to have to be covered up. It just looks like little holes out there, so we'll have to deal with that, but things are coming along. I added some more styrofoam in these holes. And this one over here, that's where the signal tower will go. Again, the bridge will come through here, and so that's just a little mini update. I'm gonna get working on this, so we'll see you in the next update. So now I have the base foam down all the way around and looking good. Thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe over here and click that little bell icon so you can get push notifications every single time I put up a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.